My name is Steve Howard. I'm the fire chief of the City of Waukesha Fire Department. I've not worked directly with E-Plan as far as a fire marshal who would have day-to-day operations, looking at plans review, doing those things. My role as the chief is being the head of the Fire Prevention Bureau, which means I've had the opportunity to work with E-Plan from the beginning as we started as a concept through contract negotiations. And then I've had the opportunity to work in specialized cases, the ones where it's not a standard plan review, the more complex developments or code problems. And then as we've progressed with having a very good working relationship, looking at developing additional services, such as having variances approved at the local level. Throughout my involvement with E-Plan, I've been very happy with the level of service, the professionalism, and the response to our concerns. We needed structural engineering support for a building that we quite honestly did not have the expertise to evaluate. High dollar value, high life hazard, and E-Plan, the engineers were able to provide us with technical support that ultimately led to the immediate evacuation and combination of a multi-story residential structure that was in danger of collapse. We didn't have the resources, we didn't have the connections to have someone respond basically immediately to come in and help us evaluate things. That same service is also available for us in technical rescue. So if we have building collapse that we're dealing with, we have knowledgeable structural engineers that we can call out 24/7, 365. From a customer standpoint, and the feedback that we've heard from developers, contractors, is that having an option to not just go through the state of Wisconsin for plan review, but to have an alternative that can be maybe more timely, maybe better versed in their project, they're very appreciative of having that. From the city side, we know that when they're doing the plan review, it is very detailed. It is equal, if not better, to the quality of plan review that's done by the state. Additionally, it's a lot easier for us, for our field inspectors, as things are being constructed. If we have questions, we need to do follow-up. The plan reviewers, the staff at E-Plan, is very responsive during the construction process. There's always that gray area that the field inspectors find and need interpretation from the plan reviewer, and E-Plan is very responsive whenever we have questions. And the advantage of that is then when the building is getting occupied, there are less surprises. The designers, the contractors can build what they planned, and we can get occupancy and they can get in business as quick as possible, but also safely and being code compliant.